While higher mortgage rates are creating affordability challenges for home buyers this year, there's some good news for those people still looking to buy a home. As the market has cooled, some of the intensity buyers faced during the peak frenzy of the pandemic and after has cooled too. Here are just a few trends that may benefit you when you go to buy a home today. Number one, there are more homes on the market to choose from. During the pandemic, housing supply hit a record low. At the same time, home buyer demand skyrocketed. This combination made it difficult to find a home because there just weren't enough to meet the buyer demand. According to Calculated Risk, the supply of homes for sale increased by almost 40% for the week ending October 28th compared to the same week last year. We have just seen the big flip, though, to the seller's market to the buyer's market, due in part because school has started, coupled with the increase in mortgage rates. We're getting inventory back, making finding your dream home a bit less difficult. Number two, due to the aforementioned bidding wars that have eased, one of the top stories in real estate over the past 2 years was the intensity and frequency of the bidding wars. But today things are different. We have more options, we have less competition for buyers, and according to the National Association of Realtors, the average number of offers recently sold homes has declined. This September, the average was 2.5 offers per sale. In contrast, last September, it was 3.7 offers. That sounds awfully high, but it comes from the NRA, so you can pretty much bank on it. Now that all that craziness has subsided, you have a chance to back into the market and enjoy searching for a home with less competition. Number three, being in a buyer's market means you have more negotiating power. More negotiating power due to less competition. Over the last 2 years, more buyers are willing to skip important steps like the appraisal, the inspection, just to try to win the bidding war. But the latest data from the NAR shows the percentage of buyers waiving those contingencies is going down. As a buyer, this is good news. The appraisal and the inspection is so important because it gives you information about your value and condition of the home you're buying. If something turns up on the inspection, you have more power today to negotiate with the seller. Have you ever thought about the discount you could get on a house today, coupled with an adjustable rate mortgage? You may even be better off financially than you would have been during the selling frenzy with the lower rates. While buyers still face challenges today, they're not necessarily the same ones you may have been up against just a year or so ago. If you were outbid or had trouble finding a home in the past, now may be the moment you've been waiting for. Partner with a master negotiator, me, your premium services upgrade to start the home buying process today. I'm Mark Thompson, Nick's